This is one of the most popular sake bottles in Japan. It looks like that the alcohol percentage is extremely high with 70%, but that is not true. This percentage ingredient is for the Rice Koji, and this sake has 15% of alcohol inside. In order to test this, we made a simple freezer check. Alcohol with a percentage of more than 35% should not build ice crystals. Here is the result after a few hours. It is almost completely frozen, and the bottle would probably have bursted in the freezer about 1 hour later.
Thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Have a great day everyone.